Hello everyone. Today we are going to study numerical on support reactions. Let us see third numerical. Determine the support reactions for beam AB loaded and supported as shown in figure. Beam AB having two UDLs 20 kN per meter and 40 kN per meter and having one point load, that is 30 kN. First of all, draw free body diagram. At point A we have given hinge supports. For hinge supports we have to calculate two reactions, that is horizontal and vertical. At point A, horizontal reaction at support A horizontal RAH and reaction at support A vertical. And for at point B, roller supports. For roller support we have to calculate only one reaction, vertical, and there are two UDLs. So first convert UDL to equivalent point load. So the value of UDL into distance, 20 into 2 40 and 40 into 2 80, and which is shown in midpoint of this span, 80 kN. Okay, 20 into 2 40, which is shown in midpoint of span. Okay, this is the free body diagram. The next step, since beam is in equilibrium, we can apply conditions of equilibrium for non-concurrent force system. There are three conditions, that is summation fx 0, summation fy 0 and summation moment is equal to 0. Summation fx algebraic sum of all x components, summation fy algebraic sum of all y components, and summation moment algebraic sum of all moments either clockwise or anti-clockwise is equal to 0. First is the summation fx is equal to 0. It gives summation fx algebraic sum of all x components. See this diagram, only one force, horizontal RAH, so RAH is equal to 0. Then summation fy is equal to 0. It gives summation fy algebraic sum of all y components, positive upward direction taken as positive and downward direction taken as negative. So RAV minus 40 minus 30 minus 80 plus RB is equal to 0. See, RAV plus RB minus 40 minus 30 minus 80 is equal to 0. Then we get RAV plus RB is equal to 150. This is the equation number 1. Then summation moment at point A is equal to 0. It gives summation moment at point A. Moment is calculated by formula force into perpendicular distance. See this diagram. First force 40, which are rotating clockwise. Then second force 30 kN, which are rotating also clockwise. 80 kN force, which are rotating also clockwise, and RB force, which are rotating anti-clockwise at point A. So first force is 40 kN, right, into perpendicular distance 1. See here 40 into 1, then plus 30 into 3, 30 into 3, then plus 80 into 4. See, 80 into perpendicular distance 4, then minus RB into 5, minus RB into perpendicular distance 5 is equal to 0. Solve this equation, then we get RB is equal to 90 kN. Put the value of RB in equation 1, then we get RAV value So RAV is equal to 60 kilonewton. Let RA is the resultant reaction at A. Then RA is calculated by formula RAH whole square plus RAV whole square. What is the value of RAH? RAH is 0 and RAV is 60. Then solve this equation. Then we get RA is equal to 60 kilonewton. So reaction at support A is the 60 kilonewton and reaction at support B is 90 kilonewton. Okay, thank you.